Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily clear host cache in Chrome or DNS cache. Let's begin. So we're going to make this very simple and straightforward. Just start by opening up Google Chrome and here type in Chrome net internals DNS. I will also paste this on the description if needed. So once you have this, hit enter and this is what you need to do. Just simply click over here, host revolver cache. So click on clear host cache and basically that's it. If that still doesn't work, you can do is close Chrome, reopen it, and click on the three dots over here. Hover down to help about Google Chrome and make sure that Chrome is up to date. So wait for a few seconds up until this is done. Restart Chrome and everything should now be good to go. So let's just wait for this to complete. It is now done. It says relaunch. So let's do that. And there we go. It is now up to date. Quick and easy. That's all you need to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.